Sa 8 years ko dito sa Chicago, di ko pinangarap na mag-Lola. Pero dahil at SB19 official are making history, hindi pwedeng di ko makita kung paano nyo iwawagayway ang bandila. Lollapalooza ticket secured, hotels booked, and there are at least 35 of us from the traveling 18 community in one accommodation. Reunion with old 18 friends and meeting a new found 18 friends in person. See you at SB19 official and Lollapalooza Super Stock. Alam niyo po ba na for sure, nasa 30% ng ticket sales ng Lollapalooza ay mula sa SB19 fans or 18? Well, napakadami po nitong isi-share natin sa inyo sa kanila nga pong pag-post ng kanilang mga secured tickets para po sa suporta sa SB19. Ang ilan ay sinabi nga na hindi talaga sila interesado sa Lala o sa mga ganitong festival. Well, dahil nga in-announce ng SB19 ay isa sa magpe-perform doon, kaya naman ang mga 18 na anak ng mafia ay agad-agad nag-secure ng ticket. Narito po ang kanilang mga naging post. Ngayon pa lang nagsisink in sa akin, oh my, mga clown kayo, di ko akalaing nabudol ako dito. Ang ilan ay sinabi na grabe daw talaga yung pag-wait nila para makakuha ng ticket. So, ang ilan ay mayroon pang booking. Was ngarag for 45 minutes to get the blasted 4-day pass nating as in wale. Buti na lang on notif si Lola so got the 1-day pass email into right away or info right away and got lucky. See you 18, let's hang out, have brunch together. When you've got patients waiting to be room but you're also in the queue trying to secure Lollapalooza tickets. My nerves were doing full on gymnastics. I swear I thought I was going to. But you've got awesome US 18 families willing to buy an extra for you. Ticket secured. See you in Chicago, Mahalima. Grabe talaga ang mga 18. Sipa nila, kita kids, sa Lollapalooza, ang isa ay magta-travel talaga at lalo na ngayong makikita niya ang SB19. Whoa, rich kid, wanna see you there. Pero JA lang ako. P-Pop Kings for Lala 2026 SB19 goes Lala. Wow, finally heading to Chicago. Got my tickets, be seeing my boys. Grabe, ang dami na nga pong nakasecure ng ticket at hindi lang yan dahil yung iba ay VIP talaga ang binili. Count me in plus 3 family members flying in from Atlanta, GA like less than 3 months from seeing them sa was all for Mahalima. VIP be SB19 on Lollapalooza Day. VIP tick secured for SB19 debut. Lollapalooza. Eto talagang doble ang kanyang gastos dahil sabi niya, see you in Chicago and in Manila next month SB19 official highs. Masyado ko kayong mahal. Grabe, bumili na siya ng Lollapalooza ticket, pati ang WAS concert. At yes, grabe, ganyan nga pong kadami ang nagmamahal sa SB19 dahil kahit napakamahal po ng ticket sa nasabi nga pong event ng Lollapalooza, ang dami pong nagbilihan. Ayan, makikita nyo naman. See you, Mahalima. Can't wait to witness history on this global stage. Thank you at Lollapalooza for inviting them. You won't regret it. Ultimate live performance from Philippines. Kaya siguro sobrang napakadami nga pong mga 18 ang gustong mapanood kasi ibang venue na yun eh. Kumbaga may ibang mga lahi nang nanonood doon at bilang ikaw isang fan, isa ka na ring Pinoy na nandun at tataas ang noon na, wow, SB19 yan. Sa amin po yan. Say pa ng isa, impulsive buying at first finesse, hahaha, let me know who else bought a VIP ticket for Thursday please. I need someone to validate that this was a good decision, hahaha, PM me. Anyway, GA plus lang yung kinuha ko cause I believe they have a North American tour coming and that's when I'll purchase VIP. Sabi ng mga boses sa utak ko yan. Pwedeng umiyak, I was okay with not going but universe is telling me I can't miss this. See you na agad sa Lola Mahalima. At narito pa po ang isang damakmak na mga mensahe na nagpapakita na nakabili na sila ng ticket for Lollapalooza to support SB19. the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Show us love.